all. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our EVS class. My dear students, do you remember we have started our second lesson, that is my family members. Alright, what we have learned in last session? Yes, we have learned about different family members and also what we address them. Alright, what we have learned in last session? We have learned in last session about different family members and what we address them. Do you remember? What do you address your father's mother? Yes, you may address her grandmother, granny or aji. Alright, now tell me, what do you address your mother's sister? Who is she? Yes, our mother's sister is our aunt. And what we address her? You may address her as Maushi or Tai. Alright, now let us begin our today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn about here in today's session what we are going to learn about jobs of family members and roles of family members. So write down the aim in your notebook. Alright students, now let us move toward the keywords. While reading this lesson, you may come across these new words. Alright, so write down these keywords in your notebook. The first keyword is doctor. What is the first keyword? Doctor. Then teacher. Third one is engineer. Fourth is artist. And fifth one is business person. Sixth one is homemakers. And sixth one is rickshaw drivers. Alright. Seventh one is bus conductors. Alright students, repeat after me these words. Doctor, teacher, engineer, artist, business person, homemakers, rickshaw drivers and bus conductors. I hope you understood these words and you have written these words in your notebook. So let us start our today's lesson. Now my dear students, tell me, you come to school daily. Okay, like that your parents also go to the office. Okay, means you come to school every day, your family members go to work every day. Some members of your family work to earn money. Alright, your family members, they work to earn money. This is nothing but their job. Alright students, if a person works to earn money, it is called as job. So here, different family members have different jobs. Now, we'll see some different jobs. Alright students, here the first one is doctor. Do you know what is his work? What the doctor do? Yes, a doctor treats people or patient. Alright, he gives medicine. When you are ill, where you go? Yes, you go to the doctor. And what he do? The doctor treats you and gives you medicine. Alright students? Then second one is teacher. Do you know what is the work of teacher? Yes, teacher helps you to learn new things. With the help of teacher, you can learn many interesting things. Alright students? Then third one is engineer. Do you know what is the work of engineer? Yes, an engineer builds things like houses, roads, computers and different machines. Alright students? What is the work of engineer? Engineer builds different things such as buildings, roads, computers computers, mobiles and different machines. Alright students, now let us see some more jobs. Here you can see a doctor is treating a baby, a teacher is teaching, and here you can see one engineer. Alright students, let us move toward the next. See here, you can see artist. Do you know what is the work of artist? Yes, an artist, they are the people who works to paint. Alright, what is the work of artist? They may paint, draw, write, read or sing, dance and act. Alright, what is the work of an artist? An artist can paint, draw, write, then sing, dance and act. Okay. Then fifth one is business person. Can you tell me what is the work of business person? Yes, a business person is nothing but a shop owner or he may has a company. Alright. A business person has a company or a shop and so on. A business person can have his own company, his own shop, hotels and different things. Alright students, this is nothing but his business. Then fifth one is homemaker. See, what is homemakers? Have you heard this word before? Let us read about homemaker. Homemakers are the parents who stay at home to take care of the house and family members. Okay, what is a homemaker? A homemaker is a person who take care of house and other family members. This is nothing but homemaker. A homemaker cooks, then she take care of her baby and other family member. Then a homemaker clean her house. She take care of her house. Alright students. Artist, then business person and then homemaker. These are also different types of jobs. Alright students. Let us move toward the next slide. See here. You can say there are other jobs like rickshaw drivers, bus conductors and so on. People also work in hotels, schools, hospitals, post offices and so on. Here in the hotel you might have seen the hotel waiters, then hotel manager, receptionist. Alright, these people you can see in the school also, the receptionist, then our thais who helps us. Alright, then here in the hospitals you might have seen nurse, doctors, then here also you can see a receptionist, then warden. Alright. Here in the post office, who is there in the post office? Who gives us letters? Yes. Here postman. Alright. There are different such types of jobs. Do you know any other jobs? Yes. If you know different jobs than these, then you have to write the jobs in your notebooks. Alright students, now see here. Here in these lines, you have to write what are your parents' jobs. Alright. Here my father is. If your father is a doctor, you will write here doctor. If he is a teacher, you will write here teacher. If he is a businessman, then you should write here business person. Alright. Whatever job your father do, you have to write it here. Then here you have to write about your mother's job. Alright students. Now see next slide. See here. As we live with our family members and they have different jobs, like that they play different roles. Alright. All the family members work together to run our family. See here. To run a family, all members have different roles such as, see, there are different jobs at the outside to earn money. But whenever we are living with our family members, there are certain jobs at home also. We have to play some important roles at our home. You may have seen that your parents, what they do? They take care of the children and the elders in the family. Your mother, father, they take care of you and your other family members such as your grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousins. Alright. Then buying things for the house. Whatever things you need such as your clothes, then your family coat, then whatever you need such as vegetables, fruits and many things your family member or your parents they buy for you or for your house. Alright. Then third one is cooking and serving the food. As we all know, who cooks food at your home? Yes, most of the homes the mother cook food for the family members. Alright. And in some families, father or other family members also help mother to cook food and to serve it. Okay, students, you have to also help your mother and father while they are cooking or serving the food. You can arrange the table, you can take glass of water, dishes and different things. So, there you are also having important role in your family. Alright. Then fourth one is cleaning the house. Your family member they always clean house. Alright. It keeps many diseases away. So cleaning the house it is so much important. You also have to help your parents while they clean house. Alright students. Then fifth one is earning money. Your mother, father and other family members, they go to the office, they work there and they earn money to run your family. Alright, now let us read. See here, you can see there are different roles. See, these roles are played by one or more members of the family. Like cleaning, cooking, serving. These roles can be played by different family members. Alright. Some members of the family have more roles to play than the others. Like our mother plays many roles. She cooks food. If she is a working woman, then she has to work in the office also. She cleans our house. She takes care of us and other family members. So, like that, some family members they play more role than the others. Then see, so it is important that we share roles and help each other. So we have to help her in her work. Alright students, you have to share the roles. Okay. Then see here. Think how hard it would be if you did not have all your family members. It is too much hard. Can you cook food? No. You need your mother or grandmother to cook food. Alright. So, each family member is very much important in our life. Alright. The role of each family member is very much important in our life. Okay. See here. Each family member is special. They help us in special ways. Each family member which is there in our family, they are very much special and important for us as they play different role in our family. Okay, now let us read about the different roles. See here, how do parents help us? Now you can see here parents helps us in different ways. See, here the parent, they make food for you or food for us. Okay. Then they buy clothes and toys. They also play with us. Okay. Your mother, she cooks very tasty food for you. Then your grandmother also cook food for you. Then your parents, they buy different things such as books, school uniform, school bag, clothes, toys, and they also play with you. Alright? Then they look after us when we are not well. Okay? Whenever you are sick, what they do? They take care of you. Okay? The parents looking after their child. Alright students? They take care of you. They take you to the doctor. They gives you medicines on time. Alright students? Then here they help us do our homework and so on. Your parents, they also helps you in completing your homework. Alright students? So you should also help your parents whenever they need your help. Alright? Don't say no to them. Okay students? See here. Now if you have brother and sister, they are also so much important. Why they are important? Let us read. How do siblings help us? Do you know how your siblings helps you? Yes, they play with us. See, you can see here playing with siblings. In a family, there are different members. You may have brother and sister. They are nothing but your siblings. Alright? So, your siblings play with you. Alright? And if you have elder brother and sister, they also helps you in completing your homework. Alright? Then see how our grandparents, they helps us. Our grandparents, they teach us good manners. Okay students? Our grandparents, they tells us different stories and they also helps us to be a good person. Okay? Now see next slide. See here, as we have learned, our family is different and special. Like that, our family is special and different. You have to write the special things about your family in the section I explore. Alright students? As each family is different, each member is in family is also different. So what you have to write? You have to write some special things about your family members. See, who laughs the loudest? In your family, who laughs loudest? You have to write the name of the person here. Alright. The second one is who can sing the best? The person who sings best, you have to write name of that person. Alright. Then here, who is the tallest? The person who is tallest in your family, you have to write his or her name here. Then, who is the best cook? So here you have to write who is the best cook in your family. Alright students? I hope you have understood all these things which I have explained in this lesson. Alright? So, write down all the things in your notebook. Okay students?